Take a look at this disturbing video of a realtor being attacked at an open house. Hi, I'm Bill Murphy with Fairway Mortgage, and it is still Realtor Safety Awareness Month. That was an unbelievable scene out in California. The agent was smart enough to recognize that this gentleman, and I use gentleman lightly, was at a previous open house and didn't feel right that he was at the second open house. Stalking may have been going on there, and he went ahead and attacked her. Luckily, she screamed and he took off. You need to be mindful at these open houses, like this agent was, to avoid these situations. And here's some more tips that we're going to include here, and don't forget to register for our self-defense seminar for real estate agents on October 4th, Friday, 5:30 to 7 at America's Best Defense in Northborough. We'll see you there.